Hey lovelies, and welcome back to Unspoken Wordz. So today we are going to be doing the 2-minute hair massage. So previously on my channel I did a video of the 5 minutes scalp massage. So if you want to check that out, that will be up here. I'll put it here and also put it in the description box. If I forget to put it in the description box, it'll be up there. Yes, you can either do this without oil, or you do it with oil. So you warm up the oil and then put on your scalp, ensuring that obviously the oil, wow, English today, ensuring that the oil isn't hot, so that it's not burning your scalp, and it is not, so you don't damage your head basically. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. That is it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.